Hello, Raw family. Hope everyone is doing good on this Wednesday. I hope you're enjoying your day and just relaxing with this presidential race. Don't get stressed out. It will all work itself out. But anyway, this is a pop-up video. I decided today I wanted to do some Great Northern beans, and I was like, okay. Again, I'll bring you guys along so you can see how I do my Great Northern beans. I don't have what do they call it, a pressure cooker. I'm really afraid of those. When I was younger, I seen the older versions blow up a couple of times, so I'm old-fashioned. But anyway, I'm not going to drag this video out. Thanks to all of my new subscribers. Thanks to my Ride or Die subscribers. And let's get into this video. All right, Royal family. In this pot here, I have a half a bag of Great Northern beans that I let soak overnight. And I have 2 smoked turkey necks that I also put in the beans to soak overnight. I like soaking my beans. To me, it gives a better texture, a better creaminess to the beans, and it also kind of releases some of that gas, you guys, if you didn't know. So this is a half a bag of Great Northern beans. I'm going to say 6 ounces. And I have 2 cups of water. You don't want too much water in your beans. You can always add, but if you put too much in at first, it will totally kill your flavor. All right, so I have the beans, the smoked turkey necks. I have 2 bay leaves. There's another one floating around somewhere. And what I like to do, you guys, to my Great Northern beans, which I think is so freaking awesome, I like to add a can of Rotel tomatoes. Now, you can spice it up as much as you want because, you know, the Rotel have the regular, the mild, the medium, and the hot. But what I am going to use today is the mild. And I cut up 1 medium onion, just roughly chopped. So I'm going to put that in there. Get those in there. All right. And you're going to cook this on a medium for about an hour and a half. Now let's go ahead and add our Rotel tomatoes. I'm telling you guys, the Rotel tomatoes is going to take it up another notch. Okay, add that in there. Okay, let's stir it. And you see how my beans have already fluffed up? That means it's going to have a nice thickness when they're done. All right, you're going to put this on a medium low, and we're going to cook it for about an hour and a half. And that's it. Then I'll come back and show you guys the final presentation. And of course, you can serve it with cornbread, which I am going to eat it with cornbread. Or you can just eat it by itself. All right, you guys, here's another simple recipe. Okay, Royal family, I wanted to show you this. I have about 20 more minutes before the Great Northern beans are done. And the broth is amazing. But you see that it is getting kind of low. So what I want you to do next is add 1/2 cup of low sodium chicken broth. So let's just add that. This is chicken broth. Okay. And let's stir it. Look at there. They're going to be so creamy. And this will finish it out. Oh, I'm sorry, you guys. It's fogging up. But can you see that? That looks amazing. All right, 20 more minutes and they will be done. Okay, Royal family, here is the final presentation of the spicy Great Northern beans. And instead of cornbread, I decided to do cornbread croutons. But you guys, This is really, really awesome. And you see that with the, okay, it's kind of dripping here. You see that with the crouton cornbread. I also put the instructions for the crouton cornbread down in the description box below. But the broth is really, really awesome. The beans are nice and tender. And I gotta show you the smoked meat. Hold on. Wow. Oh, wow. And the neck bone, it's just falling. The meat just fell off the bone, so tender. All right, you guys. This is something I had a craving for, and I wanted to bring you guys along. Thank you for watching, and please share and subscribe. And Mrs. O will be back, and we're going to start our Thanksgiving menu. And also, I will be decorating a 7.5 foot Christmas tree, but that is down the line. All right, stay blessed, and I'll see you guys next time. God bless you.